This is a cool one, guys. 1221-0770 AP2X. I know, a lot of numbers, a lot of letters. Let's figure out what they all mean. Let's do it. 0770. It refers to the spoke design here, which you see. This is a great option if you like a 5-spoke design, but you want something a little different, right? Something beyond the traditional 5 blocky spoke. You want something a little bit more open, a little bit lighter weight, a little bit unique. This is it. AP2X refers to the configuration. So what does that mean? It means this is a 2-piece wheel. So this gray area that you see, the front is one single piece. The back area, you see the little hint of purple that's coming through? That's the inner barrel, guys. So that is the second piece. They're held together by nuts and bolts. So the front goes into the back and you just torque it like that, and that's what keeps the wheels nice and tight. So the finish is called matte brushed gunmetal. What that is obviously a gray color, but you get these lines everywhere. You guys see these lines? That's the brushed effect coming through. So it's a nice little detail. And at certain lights, as you guys can see, a little bit of bronze kind of pops through. So it's nice. Adds a nice little pop of color to it. You have titanium 1221 hardware running all along. And these are what keeps the front of the wheel, which is this gray part, connected to the purple part, which is the second half of the wheel. Of course, the whole middle portion here has been pretty much machined out, as you guys can see. This allows them to save weight and gives you a really unique look that 1221 has started doing, which I like. Running along all the edges, you have 1221 engraving, and of course, spoke design here, which is 0770. And you guys may notice something with the cutouts here. Do you notice how every cutout on the left side, you see purple coming through? You guys see that? And then on the right side, it's cut all the way through. So this is an upgrade feature that you can get with 1221. It's part of the X upgrade, and what that means is they basically machine out all of these openings here to help you save weight all along the wheel, and it gives it a nice unique look. And when you upgrade to that option, you can have just the front portion of the wheel machined out, and that way the inner barrel color, if you decide to do something really cool like purple or red or blue, it can pop through, as you guys can see here, to add a nice cool touch of color. This is great because if your main color of your wheel is like this color or like black or something very simple, and you decide to do a really bright color for the wheel on the inside, you can have it pop through just to add a bit of color that runs along the way through. Or if you don't want to do this, you can just have it machined all the way through just to save even more weight. So this is a display wheels, which is why it's half and half. In reality, you would have the color showing through like this all the way on the left, all the way around, or you would just choose this option where you machine all the way through, so that way you can see through the wheel completely all the way around. And this is the inner barrel. As you guys see, it's this really cool brushed gloss purple. It looks freaking wicked. I love the purple. I'm waiting for a client to come in and be like, yo, let's do purple. I'm waiting. If no one's gonna do it, man, I might have to be the first one because the purple is cool. So right here you guys can see they machine it all the way through, which is why you don't see the purple on the other side. Or if you decide to go with the other option, the purple isn't machined out, so that way that color can pop through in the front. I like the center cap shape on this. It's like a circle, but then it also has like 5 points to it, so it's kind of like a star in a way, but it's rounded. I don't know. I think it's kind of cool. It's different just because a lot of just perfectly circular. Nothing's wrong with that. It's just kind of boring, you know. But this is cool. This is nice. It's like a nice little, change of pace.